Definitely, totoo yung mga sinasabi na kapag kinalbo mo, so that's really something that we are glad to tell you. In the midst of what we are going through, napapansin namin, as in a moment, hindi na to variegations guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung naging itsura niya after siya maglabas ng mga bagong dahon. Iisa lang yung dahon niya before and ito lang yung variegated. But now guys, I'm so glad to tell you that and this is the view when it rains. Dati pinaproblema ko yan. But now, I'm very thankful na umulan. Kasi, my plants are so thirsty for the past few days.
Plants may muna, yay, hooray!
Yes, of course, they are happy. And yung iba, even if we tried placing them indoors para sana safe, hindi na nila nagugustuhan. There are parts of the leaves na nagwi-wilt. Merong nagdadry, hindi namin maintindihan. Pero super thankful for today that it's raining. Today is a Sunday. So hello guys, and welcome to the vlog. Oh, just an update. Kung napapansin nyo, wala na yung mangga guys. Naputol na. So we found someone and luckily nakontrata namin siya. So, ayan, naputol na. Pero kailangan pa namin itaas yung wire na yan. Up until na wala pa din kuryente and pahirapan ng signal. We have videos here, pero yung problema yung pag-charge and of course yung signal kasi mahirap mag-upload. Ayan. So, yung makikita nyo parang inaanod ng baha, yun yung mga, ano ba yan, particles ng mangga. So, it's raining. Ayan. Tuwang-tuwa kami sa rain ngayon. Ang dami-daming nakaligo today kasi nga walang tubig. Pero, okay lang. Kagabi kasi dito sa amin, medyo lumakas yung tubig, guys. Kaya, thankful kami, of course. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. For today's video is totally different from the past videos that we were doing. Kasi nga, recently we were just talking about how Odette wrecked our garden, how Odette wrecked Bohol. Pero today guys, I am gonna update you about one of our plants. Today nga pala is a cloudy day and a lot of the plants here that have been inside the house for the past 10 days are happy kasi cloudy ngayon guys, so walang sun. They can go out without the fear of getting sunburnt. So merong mga plants dito na nasa labas na talaga nakalagay ngayon. Pero ngayon lang guys, pag uminit, babalik ulit sila sa loob. A lot of them really did not like it, did not like the feeling of being indoor for too long. Ayan, nandito sila. Just like the Jose Bono guys, take a look at this leaf. So, parang hindi niya nagugustuhan. Kaya, we decided to let it out. Tapos, nandito din yung red sun, yung bilete, yung Thai sunrise, yung cardboards, and even the giant na moonlight. Hindi pa gaanong maayos dito guys, but we will try to fix it as soon as possible, as soon as makakaya na ni Gerald. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi pa talaga siya makakilos ng maayos because of what had happened nung tinatry niyang magputol ng mga sanga ng mangga. And I'm just so glad to tell you na naputol na siya guys few days ago. So wala na siya dyan. We had to restore whatever we lost and start with what's left. Sa lahat po ng tumulong sa amin through that GCash account na nakalagay on screen, Sir Antonio Evangelista, to Ma'am Maria Victoria Victorio, and to Ma'am Teresita Vertusio, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Diyos na po yung bahalang tumulong din po sa inyo and magbalik sa kabutihang binigay niyo. Papasalamat po kami for being so thoughtful and for helping us out. Tapos guys, makikita nyo, nilipat namin yung Philodendron Narrow Tiger Tooth dito. Sobrang laki na po niya guys. We had to remove the pole. Yung pole kasi niya is kahoy, so we had to remove it. We are planning to propagate it as soon as maging okay na kami. Ayan, babalik po kami sa dati guys. Back to the vlog that we've been known for, which is about plants. Ayun, mag-move on kami and we'll start from whatever we have here. Meron pa mga plants na nasa loob ng bahay. Aayusin to, sobrang laki ng net na kailangan namin dito kasi nga wala na silang shade kapag mainit. So, we will really look for a way na makagamit kami. As in, mabuo yung net. A lot of them nasusunog talaga. Say hi! Okay, I said hi, but she said hello. So, ayun guys, medyo magulo pa. But what I'm really here for, ayan, wala pa masyadong mga plants dito, is yung Philodendron Burle Marx. As I told you na kinalbo namin siya during our past video, kinalbo talaga namin yung Philodendron Burle Marx kasi nga, tinagal namin yung mga green na dahon niya. Of course, we've been following naman kung ano yung sinasabi ng ibang gardeners, especially yung mga seasoned ones. Sinasabi nila na dapat alisin yung mga green na dahon. Hindi na to variegations guys. They are almost dying from the time na pinutol namin sila. Ito yung mga green leaves. And ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung naging itsura niya after siya maglabas ng mga bagong dahon. Ito nga pala yung nag-iisang variegated leaf niya guys. Unfortunately, it didn't like the feeling na nasa loob lang siya ng bahay kasi isa talaga to sa mga naunang sinave namin. Iisa lang yung dahon niya before and ito lang yung variegated. But now guys, I'm so glad to tell you that this is the newest leaf. Tapos there's another one that came out. Ayan. So far guys, they are both variegated. So that's really something that we are glad to tell you. In the midst of what we are going through, napapansin namin, as in monitor namin yung mga bagong dahon na lumalabas, variegated siya guys. So definitely, totoo yung mga sinasabi na kapag kinalis mo yung reverted na dahon ng Variegated Burle Marx guys, babalik yung variegation niya. So, do you agree with this or have you tried doing this? Pwede po kayong mag-comment down below. Ayan, I'm talking about plant right now because this is really something that made me happy. Ayan, katabi niya yung mga ano namin, yung mga Philodendron Birkin because we also let it out today. Sobrang saya lang na walang sun ngayon kasi talagang masasaktan to. I just let them see the light dito sa labas para hindi naman tingnan nyo yung isang dahon na kalaylay. But going back to the Burle Marx guys, I am hoping na lahat ng dahon na ilalabas niya puro variegated talaga. So whenever maglalabas siya ng green guys, we will surely take it out again para mapanatili natin lahat ng variegation. And meron na sigurong lalabas na naman na isa dito. Ayan, so that one, maybe another variegated yan, and kapag hindi, alam nyo na. So, you know the drill, you know what to do. Sa mga hindi nakapanood ng video, kung saan kinalbo namin yung Variegated Burle Marx guys, I'm definitely gonna link the video para makita nyo and malaman nyo din yung reason namin kung bakit namin siya kinalbo. But so far, so good. Sobrang ganda ng resulta and we are so happy with this one. Eto lang yung problema, but okay lang. Hopefully, mapapalitan yan. Hindi naman kasi talaga masyadong humid sa loob, guys. Kasi wala silang masyadong moist. And, nag-heat up yung semento. Parang kinukuha yung moisture. Dapat sana intended sa plants. That's why, paminsan-minsan nilalabas namin. Madami pa ding mga plants na nasa loob, guys. Mostly anthuriums and also the red congos. Parang nalaglagan dito. Ayan. O, buti hindi nasira yan. Pero nasira yung isang pot na concrete. Pero yan hindi yan nasira guys. Thank you Lord. Kasi mahirap nang maghanap ng ganyan ngayon. Kawawa lang talaga yung pink princess na nandito. So, hindi naalis tong part ng net na to guys. I just tried to let it cover whatever we have here. para hindi sila gaanong mainitan. Sobrang kawawa ng Pink Princess. Wala na kaming magagawa kasi hindi siya napasok sa loob. Mostly sa mga nakapole na plants hindi na pinasok sa loob. Kaya sobrang kawawa din ng neon pothos na to. Huwag kayong mag-alala, we will try to do everything guys para ma-restore. Ayan, may mga nasusunog. Sobrang init din naman kasi dito guys, lalo na tuwing yung mga midday, sobrang init talaga. That's why gagawa ng paraan to. We will be needing parang 22 meters of net para makover yung buong area na paglalagyan namin ng plants. So if you are wondering what's inside, meron kaming aglonemas na nasa loob. Alam nyo ba, walang hiya talaga yung mga uod. Inaatake pa din. Hala! Walang hiya talaga yung mga uod. Hindi man lang nag-consider na nahihirapan tayo ngayon. Kumakain pa din. Ayun, ito namatayan siya ng I do not know kung bakit. Pero I think I'm gonna remove this. Sobrang hirap. Ayan, I'm gonna remove this kasi sirang dahon siya. Ayan. So, yun lang yung ginagawa ko. Kina-cover ko sila dyan para hindi masyadong mainit. Kasi, di nakasya doon, guys, doon sa gilid. Nandun yung ibang plants and malalaki na kasi sila. So, yung mga dahon nila, yung mga petiole, nag-widen. So, mahihirapan na akong maglagay ng additional plants doon. Yung variegated alocasia, kawawa. Ayan, merong namatay na dahon. Ayan, maraming mga plants dito na nasusunog. Considering wala na talagang shade. Kahit konti. So, ayan guys, pag-pray nyo na makarecover kami, do not worry, we will go back to the type of videos that we've been uploading before. And I'm still hoping na nandyan pa rin kayo to support us. Kasi we will do our best. Ayan! Walang uod. Sayang tong mga plants na to. So, sobrang salamat na medyo cloudy ngayon. Ayan, medyo cloudy siya. Alright, thank you guys. Maraming mga plants dito na nag-yellow. But, as soon as we can recover, as soon as meron na kaming nagawang mabuti dito, i-update ko kayo. And I will definitely take you with us sa pagbangon namin. Thank you so much guys for making it till the end of this video. Medyo short lang yung videos natin ngayon. And babawi na lang kami sa susunod. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye!